So before I start this video, can I tell you to subscribe right now if you haven't, leave a comment if you want something done, and tap the notification bell to never miss the King's video, and also subscribe to be a part of the King squad. So let's go. Welcome back to another video, and today guys we're going to be spinning fidget spinners. Not just one fidget spinner, not just two fidget spinners, not just three fidget spinners, not just four fidget spinners, not just five fidget spinners, not just six fidget spinners, 7 fidget spinners. First trick shot. I'll show you if I landed it. Right, first trick shot. Oh, gee! Wow, I'm a master. Let's move my action figures. Alright guys, can I also tell you, you can buy fidget cubes as well. So fidget cubes, you have all sorts of these little things. I'm a fidget guy. Alright, so we've spun this one. We did trick shot where I threw it and I landed it like that. That's what it was, right? This one. Go spin it on your phone. Woodland. Alright. This one, it's called spin it on your head. Right. Alright. Alright, so it spins perfectly, but I don't get why it's not spinning on my head. Just gonna try that one last time. Alright, so it's not spinning on my head for some reason, so I'm just gonna do there. Right, now we'll call this one spin it on your head. Hopefully I've got that on camera. This one's called the underarm shot. I'm not joking, let's try that again. I actually caught this spinning. No lie. I actually caught it spinning. Alright, with the skull crushing finale on speed. Listen. Now seems how it's a skull face, gonna go like this. We're gonna go like this. Hey. And now, last one not least, our gold fidget spinner. Right guys, so we're just gonna spin all the fidget spinners at one time. See who's the loser, see who's the bottom man. Okay, set, let me get it set. Guys, we're set. Alright. It seems like the red one and the Batman ones give up so far, guys. And now the black one has. The gold one, oh, The skull one is kind of giving up. Well, that blue one's racing away. The gold one has given up. I noticed that the blue one in the back's still going. Okay. Gold one's give up. But blue and the skull still going. Alright, so it seems like blues give up over there and blues give up here. Give up. I dare you to give up! Alright, so it seems that the skull is the winner this time. Hey, up and go. Da 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 da. Alright, let me get it set up again. We'll see who's the loser in this time, okay? Peace out for a sec. We're back. You was the first one I spun. 3 given up so far. Focus camera, I need you to focus. 1, 2, 3. Gold's given up as well. Oh there, how could you do this to me? You were my reigning champion! You know the skull was the reigning champion. Oopsie. Right, so... It's left with the ones it was left last time. I bet you're the skull ones again, because the skull's the best! Alright, shiny blue's given up in the corner over there. This one has given up. This one has given up. So you know who the reigning champion is again, guys? The Crossbone and Skull Fidget Spinner. Well, thank you for watching this, guys. And leave down in the comments below if you have any fidget spinners like mine. So I would like to know that. But for now, peace out, and don't forget. Can I just say, don't forget.
Alright, James.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, mate. Down a little bit in a minute because I go to bed now.
Okay.
Alright, mate.
Bye. Right. So, don't forget to tap the notification to join the King Squad. Going.